So, apparently in the middle of the nuclear apocalypse, someone decided that what the world really needs is chocolate chip cookies. According to the Fallout cookbook, this recipe comes from a place called Rose's Bed and Breakfast, located somewhere in the wastelands of Northern California. Here, you get a free cookie when you order water, which may be the best deal across the wasteland, because nothing would conceal the taste of Chernobyl bathwater like chocolate. But either way, here's what you need: unsalted butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, 1 egg, vanilla extract, almond extract, all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, and white chocolate. Similar to many other cookie recipes, we will start by creaming our butter, sugar, and brown sugar together. Then we'll add in our egg, vanilla extract, and almond extract. Separately, we'll combine the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. This then gets slowly added to our wet ingredients until it's all well combined. Then we will roughly chop our white chocolate bar and mix it in. This then gets covered and chilled overnight. Finally, we'll scoop these out and bake them at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes, rotating the pan once during baking. Now we get to the real question: how are they? Well, if this says anything about their quality and what I think of them, I recorded this video, I believe it was in maybe January. It is currently April, and I think I have made this exact recipe maybe 7 times. These are easily a 10 out of 10 for me. They're fantastic. I absolutely love them, and I could eat many more plates of these. I didn't eat the whole plate here, I did share it, but I ate more than I'm willing to admit to you. They are phenomenal. Try these. So far, this is my favorite recipe in the cookbook. So, once again, 10 out of 10. Bye.